Did you know most beginners lose money before making their first profit? But with the right roadmap, anyone can learn trading. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn the complete beginner's roadmap. Let's begin with the foundation every trader must know. Trading means buying and selling assets for profit. Green and red arrows moving up and down around a stickman trader. Trading and investing are completely different strategies. Traders focus on short-term price movements. Investors wait months or years for long-term growth. Traders study charts. Investors study businesses. Every trade happens through a stock exchange. 3 key players make trading possible. Regulators help keep markets fair and transparent. A broker gives you access to the stock market. Now choose a trading style that fits your lifestyle. Intraday traders finish every trade before the market closes. Swing traders ride trends lasting several days. Some positions stay open for weeks or even months. Choose the style that matches your schedule. Next, let's prepare your trading setup. Choose a trusted broker with easy-to-use tools. You'll need both a trading account and a Demat account. Your Demat account safely stores your shares digitally. Complete KYC, and you're ready for the next step: reading charts. Now comes the most important skill: technical analysis. Every candlestick tells the story of price movement. Learn these 4 prices before reading any chart. A series of green candles often signals buying strength. Red candles usually show selling pressure. Support is where buyers often step in. Resistance is where sellers usually appear. These levels help you plan entries and exits. RSI measures whether a stock may be overbought or oversold. MACD helps identify changes in market momentum. Moving averages reveal the overall market trend. Use multiple indicators together for better decisions. Great traders protect money before chasing profits. Never risk more than 1% on a single trade. Always calculate your risk before entering. A stop loss limits damage when you're wrong. Small losses are normal, huge losses are avoidable. Professional traders accept losses without emotion. Before risking money, practice with paper trading. Paper trading lets you learn without financial risk. Practice consistently for at least 2 to 3 months. Aim for 50 to 100 practice trades. Review every trade and learn from your mistakes. Once you're consistently profitable, you're ready for real trading. Now it's time to trade with real money, but start small. Use only money you can afford to risk. Record every trade in your trading journal. Write why you entered, exited, and what you learned. Fear and greed destroy more traders than bad strategies. Trust your plan, not your emotions. Never revenge trade after a losing position. Avoid overtrading. More trades don't mean more profits. Sometimes waiting is the best trading decision. Successful traders never stop learning. Review past charts to recognize repeating patterns. Focus on consistent progress instead of quick riches.
Master these 4 skills before increasing your investment. Every successful trader started exactly where you are today. Small, consistent wins build lasting confidence. Stay away from get-rich-quick promises. Always rely on your analysis, not rumors. Patience is one of the greatest trading advantages. Protect your capital because it creates future opportunities. Never enter a trade without a clear plan. Knowledge and discipline are your biggest advantages. Follow these 7 steps, and you'll avoid many beginner mistakes. Trading is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and start your trading journey today.